Ladies. Hey, Troydyn.
It's out of the full. Go. 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 Gone. Good ball. Okay. Cheers, Troydyn. Good take.
Nice pickup, actually. A tough one for Bibby. Did really well. Now younger Troydyn Bird to Roddick. Okay, Troydyn Bird. Troydyn Bird to score. Does he score in the corner? He scores. Troydyn Bird with a try for 5-17 to Hastings. Did
Go, boy! Go, boy! Oh, is that your boy there?
Yeah. Oh, he held on to it that time.
Yeah. Hastings boys, yeah. Crawford Bakote shifting it away to that right wing where that man waits, Cooper Flanders. He's looked good today, Cooper Flanders. And they're still going forward here, Hastings boys high school. And I can't quite get there, pops it up beautifully. And Troydyn Bird, good stepping here by the number 9 in the form of Vunipula. Players arriving in support. And Loaki again might go himself. Good tackle needed to be made to bring him down.
In the centre of the ground. A little jinking here. Good 7 stepping. Stewart gets the player and the ball at the same time. Hence is willing.
Surge into the Christchurch boys 22 by Hastings. They've got good ticker. Have Hastings boys, and that offload was a good too in the...
Just gotta go faster than the speed of light, far beyond the speed of light. Gotta break the rule, Barry, and you've gotta do it now.
Stay more. Oh, good go. Work out. Yeah, keep jumping.
been on the money at this tournament. She was in the great position as all the top refs are there, George.
Yeah, it's been a great game. The officials have been showing their stuff, opening this game up, and there's Bird and Carpenter. Eagle Eye and Bruce Lee Carpenter doing the damage, bringing this game back to Manawatu. And there's still time, mate. There is still time.
And here it is. Bird gets the ball, and there's young Fletcher Carpenter just gets the ball, and I'll tell you what, all the rahu
into an attacking set. And we have the big Bird out there again. Nice right to left. Good confidence early on in the piece. And Manawatu are rewarded.
Your mate! Take Marco! You're on side! Punch! Yours we go! No touch! Hey, Drew!